a few things you can do with your plot of land right here in TheLux Gardens Estate, 9th Mile. I mean, when you buy this plot of land, you are wondering, what can I even do right here? The first thing you can do on your plot of land is you can use it to build a warehouse. Now, 9th Mile is an industrial corridor, especially this axis of 9th Mile, because this particular property is 5 minutes away from Nigerian breweries, and it shares direct boundary with Enugu Lion Business Park, which is a free trade zone that is coming up right here. And then it is also very close to other logistics companies, and then close to 7-Up bottling company, Coca-Cola bottling company. So all of these industries are very close. They are just few minutes away from TheLux Gardens Estate. So you can build a warehouse here where most of these logistics companies can be storing up their goods, right? So you can build a warehouse here. The second thing you can use this particular plot to do right here is to build a factory, which could be a water factory, because right here you can get water right here in 9th Mile. 9th Mile is the only place that supplies clean water in the whole of Enugu and even beyond. And that is why factories like Aquarafa, they are all located right here, and they're just few minutes away from TheLux Gardens Estate. Another thing you can use your plot of land to do right here is to build an agri-business or agro business. This is here you can build your poultry farm. Somebody's already having a palm kernel factory here. You can build your poultry farm. You can build any kind of farm here, because you can easily get water here, and you can easily get access to people right here, because this place is not far from the expressway, and people are living right around this particular property. So you can easily get workers to your farm. Again, is that this place is peaceful. The people here are peaceful. They are not, fighting people. So they are peaceful. They can work with you, especially when you establish that kind of project right in this place. And then finally is that you can use this place to build your residential home if you want. You can build, you can see that people are already living here. There's electricity in this particular place, so you can use here to build your residential home. Build it up, fence it, and your people are living here quietly, and then you get access to water quietly. So if you are buying here, water is not your problem. You just drill your borehole and connect your water into your house. So these are things you can do with your plot of land right here in TheLux Gardens Estate. So owning a plot of here is like a gold mine, because you can use it for any purpose of yours. So it's not restricted to residential. It's also available for commercial or industrial purposes. So if you are looking for that next place to invest, I think you should consider TheLux Gardens. And currently it's still very affordable for 4.5 million naira. You can make a down payment of 2 billion naira and get your spread your balance in 3 months. And it comes with documents that back up your investment, such as deed of assignment, irrevocable power of attorney, and a survey plan. Plot size here is 460 square meters. So you are getting a full plot of land for yourself. So all you need to do is to go ahead, call or WhatsApp us on the number showing on your screen today. Let's help you secure plots before it gets sold out.